I just ran to these today, and I guess I just learned it, but it'll make sense in the future videos that you'll watch. Anyways, this is gonna be on Git and SVN and how you would download from them. They're kind of like repositories. It's a little bit different, but anyways, let's go get to it. So this one is the first one I'm gonna talk about is SVN, or they call it subversions. But basically, you have a link like this, you know, SVN, blah blah blah, some trunk or some shit. But if you actually go to like the site or like the page that they contain it, it's not a compressed file. It's just, you know, scattered like this. And you know, most of us would just download one by one. That's not the efficient way to do it. So the efficient way is to do exactly what they want us to do, and that's to use the terminal. And this is like similar in Windows also, and even on the Mac, I believe. Anyways, let's do this. So we want to download all those files and put it in a folder. So the syntax to that is svn co, and then you just copy the link here, right? Copy this sucker in here, and when you download this, push enter here. What is this? Temporary, okay. And it makes a new folder for us here, right? And it downloads everything inside it. So in the trunk folder here, you see it has everything listed here. So that's a convenient way. Now if you want to like download it and rename it in one step, now you could rename the folder here if you like, you know, not a big deal. But if you want to do it in one step, do the same shit, but type in quotes the folder name that you want. So we call it like maybe ABC or something, right? And that's how you would do the syntax. See there, ABC in quotes. If you have space or something like that, that's a good reason to use that. And we'll just download it and it'll rename it to ABC folder. So that's how you do that in one step. And inside it, it's the same shit, right? And you can do like you see the syntax here. What the hell is it? You can do like a kind of like, you know, a sudo apt-get upgrade, but they call it here update. And let me show you that in a minute. So let's say let me go and delete one thing. Let's say I delete this, right? And oh, you have to cd into the folder. So let's go cd trunk, and then we go to svn update, and this basically get any missing files or any new updated files. But since, you know, this is the same version that we're using now, it doesn't make sense. So that's why I delete something. So if I do that, it will just download the file that I deleted earlier. Say it downloads it again, and we have it back, right? So that's how that works. Now if there's a new version, it will just replace the old one. That's this. And the next one is what is this syntax? Oh, basically this will check your local copy. So let's say if I delete maybe 2 or some of these, and we do a svn status, and you'll see it says you're missing these 2 idiots, right? Same thing. The next one is svn status u. Oh, that's just checking the server, not your shit, but the server if there's something new. Instead of updating it, you just want to check it first, and then see if it's worthwhile updating, then you do it. So same thing, but there's a -u at the end, and it'll show you a list of what you're missing or what's new. And there you go, it's the same shit. That's what the revision 59. So that's that, and that's how you would use or download from the SVN or the Subversion. On to the next shit. What is it? Git. It's kind of similar, but a little bit different. You see that the files are still scattered like that, right? Anyways, let's go and download this. They have a link here, and this is how the link looks like. Git blah blah blah, and all you gotta do is just copy that. Let me cd backwards here. Cd. There you go. Let's clear that. Anyways, let's do this. It's called git clone. That's the syntax, and paste that sucker in. And same thing as before. If you want to change the folder name, you could with the quotes and A, B, C, or D or something like that, or F, whatever. And that's how you have a new folder name. But anyways, I'm just gonna leave it like that and call it YouTube clips. So let's run that, and it's gonna download all the files in there. So all these files, where the hell is it? YouTube clips. There you go. And see, it downloads everything inside it. Nice and neat. You can do like, I think you can do like an update. So next time if there's like a new version of this, all you gotta do is go into cd YouTube clips, and you do a git pull, and that's kind of like a sudo apt-get update, or I mean upgrade or something. But my shit is already up to date, so it doesn't really make sense to use it right now. So that's how you would use git and subversions. But you also need the packages if you're on Linux here, or I mean Ubuntu. Just open this your Synaptic Package Manager, and look for Subversion and install that sucker. And the other one is git-core, and that's it. That's all you need to use those. So that's the end of this screencast.